Hello everyone, I am Arusujit and you are watching Current Technology English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's start it. So guys, in this video we will make a new project of machine learning and that project is gonna be milk quality prediction. So guys, here I have collected the data set from Kaggle milk.csv. So here you have pH is a value and temperature. Taste is that the taste bad or good. 0 means bad and 1 means good. Odor, does it have any odor? And fat, how much does it produce any fat? And turbidity means did it have turbidity? 0 means no and 1 means yes. And color means how much white it is. So this value will be from 240 to 255. This is the range of this value. If that is yellow, then you have to write 240, then else 245. How much is that? And here you have grade. This is the Y column and these all are X. So I have also updated my notebook version, so now it is better. So guys, let's start. So firstly, I would like to make a new IPy kernel. So I will go there, then I will rename this to the let me rename this to milk quality prediction. Now it is done. So our first step is gonna be as usual install and import dependencies. So step number 0 is install and import dependencies. So guys, we will write here import, and firstly let me do this. So guys, I will write here import, and right now we will import pandas. Okay, so now we have imported pandas. After that, what we are gonna do that is that we will firstly import this. Okay, we will import this and I will make a new label G. This is 1 and that is reading. Let me write here pre-processing data because this is the large step. So we have to pre-process data. Now firstly we have to get the data in pandas data frame form. So for that, let me make 1.0 and that step is gonna be getting data. After that we will write data is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Now we can read our csv milk.csv, and by the way I will give you that in the description of the link where I get this. I get this from the Kaggle. Okay, so after that let me make a new set, and in Kaggle it has mentioned it is already much process. Let me go and make it a code set. Okay, data.head. Now this data is already pre-processed, we don't need to pre-process it, so just one column, and that is this grade because we have to convert this into values. So guys, we have this kind of thing. It is already pre-processed and we don't need to do anything here because you can already see that we have in taste we have 1 0 0 1 and it has already pre-processed. So we simply need to do one thing only. We will make our grade column pre-processing data. So for that I will import something from scikit-learn. This is a code cell, right? Then after that we will do import something from scikit-learn. Scikit-learn. Is it working? We will make a new cell and import it as usual. So from scikit-learn dot text, where is that? Feature encodings. So we can see that from Google. So we need a label encoder. So label encoder is sklearn. So we can also go and see it is in the pre-processing library. So we can import that from pre-processing. Import label encoder. So now we have to encode our grade column. So that is why we are importing label encoder. So let's do it. Firstly we need to make an encoder, and that is gonna be label encoder. So guys, you can see it is very simple to do it. You can also see that from the documentation. So if we go at the documentation of scikit-learn, then you will be able to see that here we have this kind of thing, and we fit that in this. We will fit that firstly, and if we fit that, then you will be able to see that. So encoder dot fit at the data grade. Now it has been fit to data's grade. Now firstly let's do it. Then we get the encoder, then we will transform our data's grade and we will make a new data grade with updated values. Now if I do it, then you will be able to see that. And data dot class, data dot classes underscore. What it has been imported, let me see that. So this is just like this. Okay, this will first do that, then we will transform that. There is no view classes. Okay, we are doing that with data. We need to do that with encoder. So we get this. Now if we will do dot if inverse transform, now we will be able to see that 0, 1, 2. 0 means high, 1 means low, and 2 means medium. But we want to do that a bit change. So for that we need to firstly sort this. 0 means high, and 1 means low, and 2 means medium. Okay, we need to do. So this is also okay. So high is 0 and low is 1 and medium is 2. Okay, so now after that we can do our model training. So now let's train the model. Our data set is fully trained now. So let me take one, and that's 1. Yes, this is 2. Training model on the data set. So for that we will firstly do some imports. From scikit-learn dot and ensemble import random. We want random forest classifier, and this is very interesting algorithm. I like this most. So RFC is gonna be random forest classifier. Then RFC dot fit on this data, and data is this. Okay, we need to do one thing more. We will firstly need to split this. Okay, we will firstly split this. I have done some mistakes here, so we need to split this. So for that, let me do it. Is splitting x and y. Let me change it to the second heading at every of this. Okay guys, now it has been done. So firstly we will split this. So for doing that, we will firstly make x is gonna be data.drop grade. So data.drop grade at the axis of 1. Now y is gonna be data's grade. So this is how we will get it. After that we will do something more. So we will go at the top, then import from scikit-learn.model selection import train test split. From scikit-learn.ensemble import train test split. Okay. Then after that we will firstly get x train, then y train, x train, and yeah, this is y train, then x test and y test. Train is equal to train test split x comma y comma test size 0.1. Now if I take you to this x train, y train, x test, y test, okay, it's something like this: x train, x test, y train, y test, x train, y train, x test, y test. So this is like this. Now we have done our splitting. Now we can make the model. So I will firstly save this. Then 2.2 is train model, and model is firstly we will choose random forest algorithm, then RFC dot fit on x train comma y train. And what is the size? Okay, so now that is okay. So RFC dot score and x test and y test. So this will evaluate. So this is 100% accuracy. Now if we so it is 100% accuracy. So I like the random forest algorithm most, and it is working. So it has 100% accuracy. This is the accuracy that we will do. Something is still wrong, and that thing is this. We need to convert this to a string. So this is how our accuracy done. So we need to firstly multiply that by 100 and add the percentage. So this is our accuracy, 100%. So after doing this much work, we are able to get the accuracy of 100%. But we will also do something more. We will take the classification report, and that is in the scikit-learn. So it is in the matrix. So let's do this. Okay. So firstly, let's do it. So firstly, we need to import this in the from the top. So from it at the top, we will import it from scikit-learn dot matrix import classification report. And classification will be kind of this: y true, y pred. So we need to do something like this. We will firstly we have already get that. So RFC dot we have that RFC dot predict on X test. After that, we will get the y pred. So this is how you can get this. After that, we can make this. So we have to firstly get here y test, then y pred. Then target underscore names. So target means firstly we have high, then we have low, after that we have medium, and this is our report. But we will make it more beautiful by the print. So this is our report. So we have everything 100, and that is very good thing for us, because now we can check the quality of any kind of milk. We can firstly make the data frame, then we will put that into this. So now we have created our model for predicting milk quality. So that's it guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.